Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into another exciting feature from Java 21, record patterns. This feature makes working with records in pattern matching even more powerful and concise. So let's see how it works. So first thing is, what are record patterns? So here Java introduced records in Java 14 to simplify data classes. Now with 21, record patterns allow us to destructure records directly in pattern matching. This means we can extract data from records more easily in switch case expression and enhance instance of check. So let's see, and we can directly see through our demo example that I have already written here just to save some time. And if you see here, we have three classes: person, employee, and student with use case with use of records. And then we have here main method. We just created three object: person, employee, and student object with different set of parameter as expected in this particular class. Now, traditionally, if we need to check the particular object is whether instance of or type of parent class or not, so we used to use instance of operator. Like if person instance of person P, then just print the name or print the value of that particular object. So with record patterns, we can easily extract, if you can see here, we can easily extract record components directly into switch case and reduce boilerplate and making the code cleaner and more readable. This is huge win for developer working with structured data. We can directly pass here object. You can see we have print info, new person, and then directly we are using object class, and in the switch we can directly check if case person matching with the parameter, then print these things. If employee, then print this thing, student, else in this case we can simply say unknown object. Let's run it and see output. So first one, you can see this is we are getting from the traditional instance of operator, and the next three which we get from the print info, and we are using switch case. Inside switch case, the pattern matching with is automatically happening. Now we don't need to use instance of operator. Directly it can work with the record patterns. So question is when to use record patterns. So record patterns are perfect for scenario where you frequently process structured data such as JSON response, database records, or API payloads. They enhance readability and make your code more maintainable. Now, what do you think about record patterns? Let me know in the comment, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java content. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.